Hello and welcome to another video walk. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Yaris LE convenience package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door hatchback in blue Eclipse. Under the hood you'll find a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, your blue Eclipse paint that pops in the sun, and of course we got that backup camera. But now why don't we head inside this Yaris and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows and locks. Next to the door you do have your power mirrors. Under it you have your high beams, and then you have your lane departure assist button. This Yaris is equipped with light gray and black cloth seating, and on the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. We're going to start this Yaris up. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. These arrows will just help you navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center there. You also have your volume options. If we take a look on the right, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. Behind the wheel, you'll find your cruise control. If we move on to our screen here, right now we're on trip information and you can view your past records as well. If we go audio, press audio twice, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Now this Yaris does have a backup camera. There it is. It also gives you those nice guidelines. Moving down to our climate control system, nothing complicated. You got these nice turning dials. Underneath you have your 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary, some storage space as well as 2 cup holders. Moving behind the shifter, you do have your driver and passenger heated seats. And now if we move on to the passenger side, you do have this nice little shelf up top. If you open the glove box, see there's plenty of space in there. So now we're just going to close that right up. Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. Continuing with the all-weather mats and light gray and black cloth seating. And these seats do fold down. All you got to do is pull this up and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all we got to do is just press this button right under the Toyota emblem and that'll come up nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this hatch. Of course, we have the second row seating that goes down in case you need that extra bit of room. And lastly, if we look underneath here, you do have your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, we got this nice little handle here. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Yaris LE convenience package. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, heated seats, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.